Hey everybody, it's Pastor Jay. I don't know, fellas, if you have this same issue, men of God. My wife just dropped a bombshell on me that last night, while I was asleep, dead to this unfriendly world, that I began to pray periodically in the spirit.
True. And
go back to sleep. And then she said I was snoring. You hear that? She said I was snoring. So she said I would like go, and then I'd go back. See, that's just fake news. It's just total fabrication. I don't understand why she would do something like that.
At least you was calling on Jesus and nobody else.
Oh, well. Yeah, who I need to call on?
Hey, I'm just saying. I was listening.
Wow. Do you hear that? Man. But do y'all have this problem where your wife just make these outlandish things up?
Hey,
I'm praying.
At least I didn't record it because I started to.
She was gonna record it. Wow. Ooh. That's cold. We're on our way to prayer at church, and she decided to drop this bombshell on me. Has anybody else had issues like that where your wife just say stuff like that? Well, did you discern it? Could you interpret it? That's my problem. That's my concern. Could you interpret it?
You weren't talking to me.